It's 11:59, 59 seconds. If I'm gonna die tonight, I won't have hey, with you. It was 11:59, 59 clicks. The whole world's running, but the clock just ticks over and over every single day. Some people steal while other people pray to God, to man, machines, or whatever. Some of us just lost faith altogether. No way, they say, you can't live this way.